Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun show. In this video, we're exploring a vision that sounds like pure science fiction, but it's actually a strategic plan being architected by Elon Musk right now. We are talking about moving the world's most powerful AI data centers off Earth and into the vastness of space. As AI demand explodes, Earth's resources are reaching a breaking point. Musk's proposal isn't just about satellites. It's about creating a massive orbital brain that uses the moon as its factory and the stars as its home. Let's dive into how SpaceX, xAI, and Tesla are teaming up to change our digital future forever. When we talk about the cloud today, we usually mean giant buildings filled with servers in places like Virginia or Ireland. But these data centers have a massive problem. They consume unbelievable amounts of electricity and water for cooling. Musk realizes that to reach superintelligence, we need more power and space than Earth can easily give us. Part 1 of our journey looks at the Great Migration, the shift from ground-based server farms to a constellation of satellites that process information at the speed of light, high above our atmosphere. Why move to space? It comes down to three things: energy, cooling, and space. On Earth, solar panels only work half the time, and clouds get in the way. In space, you have 24/7 access to pure, unfiltered sunlight. Secondly, data centers get incredibly hot. On Earth, we use billions of gallons of water to cool them. In space, we can radiate heat directly into the cold vacuum. Finally, by moving these power-hungry giants off-planet, we save Earth's power grid for the things that matter most, like powering our homes and schools. Imagine a glowing web surrounding the entire planet. Musk's plan involves launching up to 1 million satellites into low Earth orbit. But these aren't your typical communication satellites. Each one is a specialized AI processor. Using advanced laser links, they talk to each other instantly, creating a mesh network. This means that if you're in New York and need an AI to solve a complex math problem, the brain doing the work might be flying over the Pacific Ocean, but the answer reaches you in milliseconds. How do we get 1 million satellites into space? You can't do it with old-fashioned expensive rockets. You need Starship. Think of Starship as the galaxy's delivery truck. It's designed to be fully reusable, meaning it can fly, land, and fly again in the same day. This reduces the cost of reaching space by over 100 times. Without Starship, this project would be impossible. With it, we can launch entire server rooms into orbit every single week, building the orbital network faster than we could build a skyscraper on Earth. This isn't just a SpaceX project, it's a Musk ecosystem collaboration. xAI provides the software brains, the advanced models like Grok that are being taught to work across thousands of satellites at once. Meanwhile, Tesla is the hardware brawn. Tesla already builds millions of complex cars and Dojo supercomputer chips. They will use their high-tech factories to mass-produce these AI satellites on an assembly line, just like they produced the Model 3, making each satellite cheaper and more reliable than ever before. Now we move to the most ambitious part of the plan, the moon. While the satellites live in Earth's orbit, Musk wants to use the moon as a manufacturing and launching hub. Why? Because the moon has the raw materials we need, and very low gravity. In Part 2, we'll look at how we transform the lunar surface into a high-tech factory that builds and launches the next generation of our orbital AI network without ever touching Earth's soil. The moon isn't just a rock. It's a giant warehouse of materials. By mining regolith, that's moon dust, we can 3D print the heavy parts of satellites and shielding right there. The best part? The moon's gravity is 6 times weaker than Earth's. It takes almost no fuel to launch a satellite from the moon compared to launching it from Florida. This makes the moon the perfect pit stop or hub for expanding our network deeper into the solar system, using robots to do all the heavy lifting in the airless lunar environment. Let's talk business. The AI economy is projected to be worth over $10 trillion. By moving the processors to space, Musk is effectively building the world's most powerful utility company. Just like we pay for electricity or water, businesses and governments will pay for compute. Because it's in space, it doesn't matter if a country has a bad power grid or no internet cables. They can access world-class AI intelligence directly from the sky. This is about total global accessibility and owning the foundation of the future economy. One of the most important impacts is environmental. On Earth, data centers are starting to strain our power grids, often relying on fossil fuels. But in space, we have 100% pure solar energy, 24 hours a day. Also, look at the water usage. Earth-based centers need billions of gallons to keep cool. Space centers use zero water. By moving AI to orbit, we are literally saving Earth's resources for humans to live on, while the heavy thinking happens in the stars, where it doesn't hurt our planet's delicate ecosystem. This isn't happening tomorrow, but the clock is ticking. Over the next 3 years, we'll see the first Starship-launched AI satellites. By the 2030s, we expect 100,000 satellites to be in orbit, and the first lunar mining bases to be established. By 2040, the moon becomes the main factory, and by 2050, we reach the goal, over 1 million satellites providing a global brain for humanity. It's a multi-decade roadmap to ensure that as we grow as a species, our intelligence grows with us, powered by the sun and built on the moon. We've covered a lot today, from the physics of cooling in a vacuum to the economics of lunar mining. This vision represents the ultimate synergy of Musk's companies. SpaceX provides the transport, Tesla provides the manufacturing, and xAI provides the intelligence. It's a bold plan to move our most advanced technology into the most sustainable environment possible. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show.